Hello viewers, you are highly welcome to my YouTube channel. You are welcome to my Facebook page. Now into this tutorial today, we are going to be looking at this question here. So we have the question, find the sum of the values of this. Okay, so now as you can see, this is exponential equation. So therefore, what are we going to do first? So we look at the bases. Are they the same here? No. So we try to transform these bases so that they will be in the same basis. So now what are we going to have? So we can actually write this 16 as this 2 to power 4. Okay, then to power, because this is also a power here, we have what? S squared plus what? Plus 3x then minus 1. Okay, so now we do the same thing here. This 8 can also be written in this form: 2 to power 3 then x squared plus 3x plus 2. Are we there? So now from here, what's the next thing to do? We can see that we have what? We have the basis, the same. So now whenever you have this kind of situation, so what we are going to do, we are going to bring down what the powers and equate them. So now from here, we are going to be having 4. Okay, before that, let's use this 4 to multiply this inside the what? Inside the bracket. So why 4 times x squared, we are going to have 4x squared. 4 times 3x, we are going to be having 12x. Then 4 times minus 1, this is going to be minus what? Minus 4. Okay, equals to, so 3 times x squared, we are going to be having 3x squared. 3 times 9, or 3 times 3x, so we are going to be having 9x. Then 3 times 2, we have what? We have 6. So now from here, so what's the next thing to do? We are going to collect the like term. Okay, so now we send this 3x squared to this side. Okay, because we have 4x squared here, so we have 4x squared minus 3x squared, because this is crossing the equality sign, so the sign we have to change from positive to negative. So we have this one 12x, then this one also coming here, we are going to be having 9x. Okay, then equals to, so we have 6 here, let it be there, then send this one to this side, we are going to be having plus 4. Okay, then 6 plus 4, we are going to have what? We are going to have 10. So therefore this is going to be 10. So we have what? We have what here? We have 4x squared minus 3x squared. This is going to be x squared, then plus 12x minus 9x, this is going to be 3x. Then this 10 here, we can send it to this left hand side. We are going to be having 10 equals to what? Equals to 0. So therefore you can see that this has led us to a quadratic equation in terms of what? In terms of x. So we are going to be looking for the value of x. So now from here, what are we going to do? So we are going to use magic cross method. So let's try to find the factors of x squared. So if we say 1x, then 1x, so 1x times 1x, are you getting now? So times, this is going to give us x squared. So now let's look at the what? At the product of this one 2. We have 2 times what? 2. We are going to have 2 times 5. This is going to give us what? 10. So now let's cross it this way. So now what we are going to do here is that, so when you cross this, you can see that 1x times 2, we are going to be having 2x. Then 1x times 5, we are going to be having what? 5x. So now what are we going to do to this so that we have what? We have this middle term. So now you can see 2x minus 5x. What are we going to do? If this place is plus and this is minus, I get now. You can see that this one is going to be what? Is going to be 3x. That is minus 2x plus 5x. Okay. So since we have this negative sign here and we have positive sign here, so this negative here sign will come to this place, and the addition or the positive will come what? Will come to this place. I get it now. So we are going to be having what? We are going to be having the factor to be x minus 2, because we have the minus here, then x plus 5. x plus 5 then equals to what? Equals to 0. So now from here, when you have this can actually be x minus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 5 equals to what? Equals to 0. So now from here, if this minus 2 should go to the back, we are going to be having x equals to what? X equals to 2. Or if this 5 should go to the back, we are going to be having x equals to minus what? Minus 5. So now from here, we are going to have what? We have the two possible values of what? Of this, problem to be x equals to 2 and x equals to minus 5. But the question said the sum of the values. Definitely we are going to have, if we let this to be x1 and this to be x2, so their sum now is going to be x1 plus what? Plus x2. So now x1 is what? Is 2 plus minus what? Minus 5, because x2 is going to be what? Is what? Minus 5. So from here we are going to be having 2 plus times minus is what? Is minus. Then we have what? We have 5. Are we there? So we have what? 2 minus 5 to be what? To be minus 3. And that is the solution. That is the sum of the two values, or the values of what? Of this solving of this equation is what? Is this. So we have what? We have minus 3, and that's the solution to the problem. If you find the class very interesting, do not hesitate to hit on the subscribe button, hit on the bell icon, so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye.